Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video we are going to cover the basics of a moving average cross strategy and stacking market structure on top of it. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to go to indicators. I'm going to go to EMA. You can use an SMA if you want. The only difference is the EMA uses most recent price action it's weighted heavier versus an SMA, which is a simple moving average. That's just what it says. It's just a simple moving average. There's no exponential weighting done to most recent action. So I'm going to apply, and I'm just picking some random numbers here, guys. I've said this several times. There's no magic formula, okay? So I'm going to apply it twice. I'm going to do a 10 period, we're just going to look at the last 10 bars. I'm going to do a 20 period, we're just going to look at the last 20 bars. All right, so here we are. We have our moving average cross on here. So here's what we're going to look at. And again, I'm just throwing out some ideas here. I don't personally use this, but I have thought about testing it. So I want to let's find an extended down move. So here we go. We have a move down. What we want to look for, whoops, I hit the wrong button. All right, what we want to look for is where the moving averages cross. So it looks like the cross happens right here. Oh, by the way, if you middle mouse button click, you can get this dialog box that pops up on your bar. So we can see that the our 10 period, which is the pink one, just crosses our 20 period. And so we are in a zone. This is not where I personally would be looking for a trade. The whole idea that I had behind this was I want to wait for a cross, which happens here, and then I want to wait for a fresh buy zone after the cross and trade that first buy zone. So here's our cross, here's our first buy zone, here's the trade I would take. Okay, so now we just rinse and repeat. We wait for a cross down, here it happens here. We wait for a cross up, happens here. We wait for the first zone, which happens here. Okay? Again, cross, down, cross up, first zone, boom. Simple, right? I love simple. Simple strategies are easy to test, they're easy to find. You could easily scan for this. You can easily scan for stocks that have a moving average cross, and then you look for your buy zones. I love this stuff. So that wraps up this video. In the next video, we're going to get into a little more complex topics. We're going to talk about some volatility and how we can measure volatility. So I'll see you all in the next video.